Okay, guys, welcome back. Yeah, let's do some Adalo no code step-by-step programming. Let's do some awesome app creation. No code experience required. You got no code experience required, you're in the right place. Let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the app because this is the part four. This is video four, part four of our series of learn Adalo no code step-by-step no programming video. So we've been talking about making a node application. If you want to know what we're doing, go back to video 1, 2, and 3 and review. But I'm not going to review because it's going to take your time. So now we have built these three screens and we've created a note type collection to tell us what kind of notes we have. We have the notes actual the notes collection, and then we have the three different types: text note, bookmark notes, and credential notes. All right, so now I told you we're going to use the form, and the form is going to automatically populate this stuff for us. Awesome, let's do it. We're going to go look for the form component right there. We're going to drag it onto our new text note. We're going to drop down here. Where's our collection, they might ask? Because I'm asking the same question, yo. Where's our collection? Database over here. We got these collections. And we don't see them showing up here. What the heck? Try it again. Images, favorites, groups, users. What? Something's wrong, guys. Let's find out what's wrong. There's no favorites, none of that crap in here. Let's reload this thing. Maybe it didn't even save our stuff. Ooh, happens, guys. It happens. It happens to the worst of us. Happens to the best of us. Go back to my app. Yup, something weird happened, guys. Yep. Okay, so we lost our collections. I guess we were okay. So we're gonna do this again. But I'm going to pause it so that you don't have to watch this in the same video. Guys, everything is back to normal. I'm going to add it so you don't have to add it again. You'll see that long process happen. Okay, so we got our note types. We got our notes. We got text notes. We got bookmark notes. And we got credential notes. So now we dragged over the form. We're going to drop down and get our collection. We're going to say text notes. That's that one. That one's done. And to make it easier, how about we'll just go through the normal process for now so you get used to it. So I'm going to go to forms, grab that form, just drop it on there. We'll go ahead and align it in a little bit. And just drop it. And then we'll grab another one for our credentials form. We'll just drag it and drop it on there as well. Okay, now we'll scroll over there. We'll make sure it's lined up. Looks like it's already lined up. Awesome. We've already chosen the text note as the data collection, so we already know that. We know that's for creating a new note text. Over here, we're going to say a bookmark note. We already know. Okay, that's good. Go over here. Going to drop down this. Choose the credential notes. Now we're at 3 minutes. Okay. So as you can see here, we got already create text note, create bookmark note, create credential note. And what we're missing here is we're missing a button to both create a note. So we're going to go over here. We're going to go underneath our tab bar, and that's where we add our links right now. And we're going to create a third tab. In our third tab, we're going to say notes. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to choose maybe like a note. It was cool. Yeah, notes. All right, and then from that we're going to select that. We're going to say in our third tab, we're going to go down and click add action, link to new screen. And here we're gonna just use a blank screen, and we're going to say notes, and that's going to add it in the end. I don't like to push. I like the normal one. Done. Go over here. So now we got this guy. Now what I might do here to make this easier to look at is I'm going to pull this underneath this one over here because I want it to look like it's a hierarchy to know that this is going down there. So now what we're gonna do, we can do this a few different ways, but remember we first need that header up there that we had before, so we copy that header with the logo and the title and the back button. If you don't remember that, go back and check our previous videos, and then we'll have that there. And then this will just be in here, notes, boom. All right, and then we're actually going to list our notes, and we're going to have like a plus button, right? So what I want to do here, just for simplicity, we already have one built into, we're out of time. So what I'm going to do is in the next episode, I'm going to link these guys together from this page to this page so that we got the proper note, and we'll even change the button to 3 different kind of buttons. Let's just say what kind of note we want, so that we don't have to say like note, and choose different notes, and also be able to display the notes on the screen. All right, so see you in the next video, guys. You're awesome. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully, this is getting interesting. It's going to be interesting, and it's going to be useful for you creating your own personal app and good experience. And I will try my best to give the details so that you don't leave yourself any kind of confusion. But if you like this video and you like the other videos, please like, subscribe, suggest, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.